icon card on Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. To do it, you have to head over to your Shopify admin store. Then you have to tap onto this online store. Then here themes option, and from there you can see this three dot icon. Just tap onto it and then tap onto edit code. And then as we want to edit the icon, then just search up for icon, and there you can see this card icon bubble liquid. So we will search for icon card and two files will appear here. So here you can see these two files. Just tap onto them and just visit this site here. I will leave it into the comment section. Wait, let me just go and find the link. So there we go. This one is the link here. You can check out. This was where the link, and choose the link that you want to it, like choose the icon. There are other ones, for example multicolor. This type of is for also this type of, just you have to tap onto these images and then you have to tap onto edit vector and you have to copy the svg link. Just copy it and then you have to choose the whole link from here. You have to cut it down and paste the link. Also you have to do it for this one also. Okay, let me show you again. Just choose the whole one, then paste it up, then you have to save it up, and then you have to do it for both of them, the next one, and follow the same steps, then save it up. And there we go. Now we can tap on the preview store, and here you can see my icon has been changed. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.